So in this section, we will learn naming convention rules in Java. Java naming convention is a rule to follow how to name your identifiers like class, variable, method, etc. But it's not enforced. You don't have to follow it. It's known as a convention, so that means it's just a mandatory rule. Guideline, if you're a fan of Pirates of the Caribbean. Anyway, as you see here in the table, the class name should start with an uppercase letter and should be a noun. For example, string, car, system, etc. The method name should start with a lowercase letter and be a verb. For example, start, stop, action performed, etc. The variable name should start with a lowercase letter. For example, first name, year, color, etc. And then by using standard Java naming conventions, you can make your code easier to read for yourself and for other programmers. The readability of a Java program is very important. It indicates that less time is spent on how to understand what exactly the code does. The most important concepts of naming conventions are case-sensitive and camelCasing. So Java is a case-sensitive language. For example, hello with the first letter as an uppercase and hello with the first letter as a lowercase are, well, they mean completely different things in Java. CamelCasing is a naming convention in which the first letter of the second word in a compound word is capitalized. So you have a name that is combined with two words. The second word will start with uppercase letter always. For example, action performed, first name, etc.